If you've had unprotected sex without a condom and you suffer from any of the following symptoms, you should go and get screened for STIs. This is called STI screening. So if you have a rash in the genital region, or if it hurts when you urinate, if you have a discharge from the penis or the vagina, if you have sores in the genital region, these are the symptoms that will lead you to think you need to go to the clinic to get screened for STIs. They will take a urine sample and sometimes a blood sample. The urine and the blood sample will be then sent away to a laboratory where it will be checked for pathogens. They're going to be checking for bacterial infections like gonorrhea or chlamydia, or viral infections such as HIV. And if you have a bacterial infection, you'll then be given antibiotics, which will then be used to kill the bacteria that causes your infection. And if you have a viral infection, you'll be given antiviral drugs that will be used to destroy the virus. And if you are diagnosed with a sexually transmitted infection, an STI, then it's really important that you contact all previous partners for them to get checked for STIs, as you could easily have spread it to them or even caught it from one of them. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers are going to follow, and if you're stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes.